Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make naan bread. Naan bread goes very well with curry. It's a very easy recipe, very simple, just few ingredients. You don't have to buy it, you can make it from home. So please watch, subscribe, just check the more section. That's where I'm going to put the recipe, just here. I'm not going anywhere. So I hope you enjoy. See you after this. You have bread, I've got naan. So today we are going to make this beautiful bread, as I said. So what you need, it's plain flour, salt, and baking powder. A little bit of olive oil. I will put all the measurement under the video in the show more section of my YouTube video. And you will also need some plain yogurt. That's all. Later on, you can use a little bit more olive oil for cooking and also Nigella seed if you like it, or any seeds you feel. All you got to do now is you mix by hand all the ingredients together to form a dough. So we go gently and softly, we don't need to be rough, but that's probably gonna take a good 5 minutes. The whole recipe all up probably takes you an hour, because there is about 30 minutes resting. Every time you work some flour product, you work the gluten and therefore the elasticity. So when your dough is shaped, just shape it as a big log and wrap it up. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. That will help to relax a bit. When this is done, we're gonna divide the dough in 4 portions for this recipe. If you want to do smaller one, you can divide in 8. And all we need to do is to flour the bench a little bit, use a rolling pin, and basically roll out the dough in a round shape at about 2 or 3 millimeters thick. I do all of this and I use, as you see, some baking paper to put in between my sheets. So I repeat that and do it again and again and again and again. And once it's done, you can let the dough rest a little bit again, and it will just be perfect and beautiful. You can make them thicker if you wish to, but you don't have to. Just take a large fry pan, put a little bit of olive oil. You can use a flavored olive oil if you want to. Brush a little bit more olive oil on top of your naan bread and few Nigella seeds. Cook it for about 2 minutes at low heat on one side and 2 minutes again on the other side. And that's it. You're pretty much done. All you're gonna think now is what you're gonna have with. Enjoy. Welcome back. How easy was this recipe? I'm sure you will try it. Tell me what you think. Do it at home. Do it with the kids and the family. It's just fun to do so. See you next time for another episode of Cooking with Frenchy.